The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for...
When threatening weather approaches or a warning is issued for your area, it's time to put that action plan in place. For waterspouts, don't be like this guy. And drive your boat through one. Get back to land and to a safe place as soon as possible. Now, in case of a waterspout that moves inland or during a tornado, you need to remember 3 steps. Get in, get down, cover up. At home, go to your basement, underground storm shelter, or above-ground safe room if you have one. If you don't, find the most interior room on the lowest floor. Grab as many blankets, pillows, helmets, and the like as you can to protect yourself from debris. If you're at school, work, or other public building, go to the designated shelter area. Otherwise, go to an interior room on the lowest floor, and if that's not available, find a well-protected hallway. There are some keys here. At all costs, avoid areas with lots of glass and or large expansive roofs like an auditorium. If you're driving or stuck outside and can't get out of the path safely, get to a sturdy structure as soon as possible. Otherwise, find a ditch or low spot and do your best to cover your head and neck.
Get up under the girders!
Whatever you do, do not take shelter under an overpass. If a tornado directly hits it or passes at close range, you may be plucked out from under that overpass.